Welcome to the DocStyle Education Series. In this video, we'll go over how to clean up Microsoft Word documents using the DocStyle Ribbon. The importance of having streamlined cleanup tools cannot be emphasized enough. Cleaning up a document is one of the most time-consuming tasks for any professional, taking focus and attention away from the truly important work. So if you'd like to learn more, let's not waste another minute and get started. The very first set of icons you'll see on the left-hand side of the DocStyle ribbon are inside the cleanup group. Let's focus on Create Clean Document first. Click the icon and open the Clean Document window. Before we get into the selectable options below, you need to be aware that by simply using this feature, DocStyle will create a brand new document. One of the most common and painful scenarios is receiving a PDF file that was converted to Word using some other product. Although these new Word documents look correct, the truth underneath is far from it. Our cleaning process will strip the document properly and remove applied styles, allowing you to start fresh. The first decision point within the Cleanup Options section allows you to browse out and decide which template to attach to the new document you're about to create. By default, you'll be working with a normal template. However, custom templates can be uploaded into DocStyle for quick access. DocStyle works seamlessly with Word templates, including those created by third-party solutions. Custom styles, macros, fonts, and margins can be made available inside your new document for specific file types. Choose the template you want, click OK, and DocStyle will prepare your new document accordingly. Remove blank paragraph marks will clean up any empty paragraphs, specifically paragraphs without text that happen to be in the document. Removing leading tabs will replace tab indents with proper indent positioning. Remove all text in header and footer will do just that. Strip this content out, leaving only the body of the document behind. Remove tab stops will clear the ruler of any tab positions the cursor happens to be set to stop when the tab key is pressed. The last two options allow you to decide how DocStyle should handle breaks when recreating them inside clean documents. By default, we will leave all section and column breaks in your document. However, as you can see here, there are several options available for each. When you're ready, click OK, and DocStyle will create a brand new document. Checking the results, all the styles have been removed, and we now have a clean canvas to work with going forward. The DocStyle Toolbox takes a more manual approach to document cleanup. Expanding the menu by clicking on the icon lists all the utilities available within. Organized into 4 sections, DocStyle offers text, header footer, numbering, and table tools. Quickly converting quotes or reflowing imported content are just a few of the options available within the drop-down menu. To illustrate how quick and easy each one of these utilities are, I'll highlight one of the tables inside our sample document and remove all borders using the DocStyle Toolbox. As you can see, my table has been adjusted in less than a few seconds. Use the toolbox to focus on the quality of your content, instead of the multiple steps necessary to accomplish these same tasks in Microsoft Word. On behalf of everyone here at DocStyle, I'd like to thank you for joining us today to learn how to clean up your document using the DocStyle ribbon. If you'd like more information, or you'd like to get in touch with us, please visit our website at www.docstyle.net.